guys, welcome back to our Lewy video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of a tripod, and let's see. Oh look, very nice packaging, and there. So, and the product is called the Primaphoto Gear. And it's photo tripod kit PHKP002, and there was a different one that was P001. The P001 is a bit smaller than this. The dimension of this, it can go up. It's 156 centimeters. That's taller than me, really. And the lowest it can go is 63 centimeters, and it weighs 1.3 kilos, and the weight you can hold is 4 kilos. And so let's open it first. And my mum bought it in Curry's, and my mum said it cost £24. So let's see how good it is. We got even more wrapping on it. Got even more wrapping on it. Got even more wrapping. Oh yeah, and it comes with a bag to carry it around. And we see. Oh, and it even has one of those things that makes it to let you know if it's balanced. We got some instructions to tell them that later. So how does this work? What? What's this? What can we say about the legs? Oh, this. How tall can it go? It says 106. Okay, let's unlast this. Unlast this. Unlast this one. No, okay. It's so wide. Don't bring it over ears because it's so wide. How tall can I get? Go like this. Wow, that's tall. That's tall. It's nearly as tall as me. We can like angle it up like that, angle it down and up. Ailing. And there's a hook on it to keep it more stable if you're like filming in like a windy place or something. As well, you angle it down and up to find the place of position. And look, I can show you if it's even. Look, as one of those there. As one of those spirit levels to show you it's even. And spirit level here as well. And this is how to crank it up. How high can you crank it up? Are we going to make this go to the max height? But where's the max? It's taller than me. There's the max. It's taller than me now. I'm 136 centimeters and it's taller than me. Why are these grooves here for? And let's crank it back down. And this is the height when all the legs are up but not the pole, but it's not all cranked up. And and my height is 136 centimeters. It's pretty tall without the pole cranked up. The height when only one leg is extended. This is the tripod when all the legs are folded. After being quite sturdy, quite good. It's quite grippy because of like the rubber at the bottom. Handle. This is like really handy to like if you like are gonna move it, if you need to move it. So, and this is how you fold it back up. You could just like do like that, then like this, and then fold up these smaller ones here. Point that down. And you might want to cut these back. And you can put these back like this. Just clip it back so it won't move. And there. Now it's stuck. You get your camera on. You turn this. And then you can take the base off. Then you just like screw your camera in at the bottom. It should have that at the bottom, and then you should have that little bit sticking out. So you just turn it. Am I doing something wrong? I'm doing it the wrong way round. Look. Put it on here, like there. Nope. And don't forget to like lock it. And that's it. There, you can look it down, look it up, or you could just like do it like that, and you can turn it. It's a 360. It's 360 there. The other way. You can tilt it on portrait mode like that. But if you don't want to like move it, you could just like lock it this way, like that. So like that. She's locked. It's less wobbly. This is how it looks locked, and this is unlocked. This is unlocked like that. So if you want to keep still, you want to unlock. If you like don't want to move it back, just unlock it. And how easy it is to get out, just like that. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. It could be flimsy sometimes, but how that? That. Can be flimsy a bit, like wobbles it slightly, but you're supposed to move it anyway. Maybe like this. No, the plastic here is not really flimsy. Neither the aluminum. These are the plastic parts. These are the mouth parts. this is my first tripod. It's okay for a beginner like me. So, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to other people, and ring that bell.